Breaking news that's coming in. Kharge Jr. has attacked Modi government once again. There's no let-up despite Congress's gag order. He's reiterated the 56-inch jab to attack the Prime Minister yet again. He's questioned India's fight back and said, don't know what happened in Pulwama, don't know what happened in Balakot. Remember, Priyank Kharge has targeted the Prime Minister as well as the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. The Bharatiya Janata Party, meanwhile, has asked why give an alibi to the enemy. Listen in.
See, it is very evident that over a decade now, the Prime Minister has modeled himself as a decisive leader, a fearless leader who can show China la lang, who has a 56-inch ka seena. It has been so many years. We don't know what happened in Pulwama, we don't know what happened in Balakot, we don't know how things got so bad in Pulwama. He chooses to skip all party meetings. He chooses to skip press conferences, but he goes to RSS headquarters and discusses the national security issues with them. क्या हमारे जेम्स बॉन्ड अजीत डोवाल क्या कर रहे थे? अमित शाह जी क्या कर रहे थे?
My colleague Pinky is joining us on the broadcast to get us an understanding of this political war of words. Pinky, once again, a Congress leader questioning the Modi government at a time when the entire country needs to stand together in the face of the kind of challenging situation that the country faces.
Well, absolutely. The questions are, in fact, as far as Priyank Kharge is concerned, he had, in fact, first tweeted raising questions on Prime Minister Modi with regard to, that he has been posing in military, outfits and also been giving speeches across, during any occasion at the border. But clearly, as far as the real threats are concerned, those threats are not been addressed. While speaking to Times Now, Priyank Kharge has also said that, what about 56-inch ka seena and those lal aankh to China? So all these issues have been raised, and also, specifically, Priyank Kharge has also said that we really don't know what exactly happened in Pulwama or, Balakot, and what exactly is happening as far as this Pahalgam is concerned. So clearly raising questions on the silence of Prime Minister Modi, that he has been skipping the all-party meeting as far as the press conference are concerned. So, an attack on Prime Minister Modi, and when asked that the party itself has ordered that, to be on one particular line as far as all the workers and the ministers of Congress are concerned. So clearly, Priyank Kharge is, has said that all the ministers have been asking Prime Minister only one question, that where are those answers that are being questioned by the Congress leaders. Back to you.
Right, Pinky. Thanks very much for joining us at the moment, getting us the latest from there. Viewers, we will keep